You are given different search types at the Library Catalog search screen. I will describe each type briefly. The general keyword search looks for your typed keywords and phrases anywhere in the book's description, called a record. Subject keyword locates your search terms in the subject descriptions of the books, referred to as subject headings. The title keyword and content search locates your search terms in the titles of the books and any available tables of contents. Subject alphabetical matches your search terms to the beginning of a subject heading in an alphabetical list in the catalog, allowing you to explore all books given the same subject heading. If you are searching for a book that you know has been published, use the title alphabetical search and enter the exact title of the book. Author alphabetical will allow you to search for any books we have by an author. Enter the last name, a comma, and then the first name. At the search screen, enter your search terms and choose your search type. I am going to demonstrate the general keyword search. Put phrases in quotation marks and separate distinct words with and. Then click the red arrow. Search results are sorted by date, showing the most recent publication date listed first. There are going to be 3 types of books: reference, circulating, and eBooks. Take a look at the first book. Under collection, you can see that this is a book from the reference collection. The call number tells you where to find the book on the shelf within the reference collection area. Click on the book title to learn more about the book's contents and subject matter. This next book is a circulating book, meaning that you can check out the book. Take a look under Status, next to the call number. If the status reads Checked In, that means the book is on the shelf, available for checkout. Other statuses will read Checked Out, and you can click on Request Item to be the next person in line to check the book out when it is returned. If you see Newly Acquired or in Cataloging in the Status section, contact or see the library staff for help with gaining access to this book. Here is an ebook as shown by the collection label Electronic Resource. The link to the ebook is in the book record. Find, click here for online access in the book description, and the link will open a new window showing the book in its ebook database. From there, you can read online and download or print select titles.